Is that what you want? How did Santa know?
I thought it was just a dragon! But no green ogre. Oh, rats.
It's okay. You have a dragon. That's cool.
That's instead of dragon. Whoa! Wow! Wow! Whoa! This is the Eagle Castle! This is the Eagle Castle, Daddy.
So that was from Santa. This is from Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, this. Oh.
What is it?
J-A.
Okay, open it.
I see J-A-C-K.
Okay, well that must be you then.
Let's see what we get. This Bowser. Knight in Shining!
Knight in shining armor. Cool.
Yes.
That's it. This one's for you.
No.
No.
And
Okay.
this one has a horse.
Cool. For your castle.
Yeah,
Oh, you a star.